Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious ramen noodle soup. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of instant ramen, about 2 cups of water, and any toppings you love, like a soft-boiled egg or some chopped green onions. Next, bring the water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once it's bubbling vigorously, gently add the ramen noodles to the pot, making sure they are completely covered by the water. This initial step is crucial for perfectly cooked noodles. Now let's get those noodles just right. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently with chopsticks or a fork to help them separate. You want them tender, but with a pleasant, slightly firm texture, not mushy. Once they reach this point, take the saucepan off the heat. This prevents overcooking. Then, carefully stir in the seasoning packet that came with your ramen, mixing it thoroughly until it's fully dissolved and the broth is fragrant. To truly elevate your ramen, think about adding some fresh ingredients. During the last minute of cooking, toss in some spinach, sliced mushrooms, or a handful of corn for extra nutrition and texture. For protein, consider adding pre-cooked chicken, firm tofu, or a beautifully soft-boiled egg, which adds richness. A small drizzle of sesame oil or a dash of soy sauce at the end can also significantly enhance the overall depth of flavor, making your soup even more satisfying. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully pour the steaming hot ramen noodle soup into your favorite serving bowl. This is where you can get creative with your garnishes. Add some freshly chopped green onions, a sheet of nori seaweed, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. Serve your delicious, homemade ramen immediately while it's piping hot. Take a moment to savor the rich broth and perfectly cooked noodles. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.